Hello guys, welcome to Google Sheets tutorial. In this video, I'll tell you how you can insert a drop-down menu in Google Sheets. So all you have to do is that go to the particular cell in which you want to enter the drop-down menu, right click, and then click on this drop-down menu button. Here you will see different options. For example, I will write Ali and Jack. So these are the two options. I will enter done. Now you will see that when I will click on it, there will be two options, Jack and Ali. Okay. So what you can do also is that you can apply it to all the cells. You can give the range over here and it will be applicable to all the range. Okay. You could select the range. For example, you can add this in the entire column, which will make sure that every time you pop up on that cell, you will have to insert through the drop down menu. You can add other items also, like add here, chain. So that's another way. So one more thing, you can show if the data is out of those options, out of these three options, it will show a warning that data is not according to the specifications, or it will outright be rejected. Secondly, there are different formats. See, you can see the change in the format. It's plain text, it's a simple arrow, and it's a or a chip. So these are certain things. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe.